Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use the record ID tool. So record ID tool is generally used to generate row number in your dataset. So let me just quickly show you the dataset which I'm using. I'm again using the e-sales dataset which I have used in the set of previous videos. This consists of 5 columns: date, sales rep, customer, product code, and sales. And it consists of 30 records, right? Now I want to generate a unique row or unique identifier for each row. In order to do that, go to the preparation tab, select the record ID tool, drag it and drop it onto your canvas. It will link the input node of this particular tool with the input data set, and then it will open a pop-up window where it will ask you about the name which you want to keep for that new column. Let it be row number. Here you can specify the starting value. It can start from negative number also, -5, -8, but let's keep 1 for this particular case. Here you can select the type of variable. Right now it's integer 32, and from here you can select the position, whether you want this particular row number column as a first column or last column. Right now I want to keep it as a first column. Just hit the run button. Right, so it has created one column consisting of 30 records, and uh, the name of the column is row number. So a unique identifier for each row has been created. Right, you must be wondering why we have created this unique identifier for each row number. But because we already have record here, right, which is also 1 2 3 4 5 till 30, and this is right now same as the row number. So the main purpose of record ID is to create a unique identifier for each row. Whenever you do a sampling or use the unique tool, this record column is automatically updated as per the final data set, right? So let me just quickly use the sample tool here and show you the differences in the output. So in sample tool, it will open a pop-up window. Let's keep 1 in every n row. For sampling tool, you can check my sampling video, and I'm here keeping 5. So I want 6 record, 1 record from every 5 rows, and so on, right? So when I hit this run button, you will see the difference between record and row number column. Let me just open the output. So as you can see that this record is updated as per the requirement of the or the number of rows as per the output column, output data set, whereas row number remains static to the row ID which was generated using the record ID tool. As you can see, it has picked first column from the first 5, sixth column from the 6th to 10th column, 11th column from 11 to 15, and so on. I hope you got the logic behind this, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.